Kita tukar pula.
Oh yes, too small. Oh, thank you.
One, two.
Apa ambil tengok-tengok ni? Aduh. Okay, ni dah masuk. Okay, kita ada 3 sub masuk ni. Oh, sorry.
Jangan biarkan dia punya followers bersendirian. Straight masuk dalam.
Masuk dalam. Beratur.
Communicate.
Dia macam terpegun tengok. Dia macam orang tengok je.
Ya ke?
So speechless.
Pegun tengok saya ke tengok YB? Jangan tengok pegun.
Gol tengok Bella lah. Kan nak tergol tengok saya kot.
Apa salah ni? Ke kau nak pegun tu? Mai Bella pegang.
Okay. Bella flip je.
Hi.
Singapore.
Oh, hello.
You from far. We want to take picture with you.
Sure. Assalamualaikum. Ya, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Very good.
Hello.
She's the one. Yes, she's the one who saw you. Saw you from far. That's Bella. That's Bella. Come.
Ah.
Yeah, my phone. Sorry.